Nestled high in the Austrian Alps, Hallstatt is a picture-perfect village. The charming village is known for its stunning beauty and rich history. Hallstatt is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. So come along with us as we explore the timeless village of Hallstatt. Hallstatt dates back to prehistoric times and was once a major center for salt production. The salt mines operated for over 7,000 years, playing a vital role in the village's development. Today, the salt mines are a popular tourist destination, offering a fascinating glimpse into the past. But there's more to Hallstatt than just salt. Imagine approaching Hallstatt by boat, gliding across the crystal-clear waters of Lake Hallstatt. In the distance, you spotted Hallstatt with its charming houses clinging to the mountainside. The iconic spire of the Lutheran church rises above them, a beacon against the Alps. As you get closer, the details of the village come into focus. Colorful houses, narrow streets, and birdsong. This is Hallstatt, a true hidden gem in the heart of Austria. The first thing you notice in Hallstatt is the traditional Alpine architecture. The houses, painted in various colors and adorned with flower boxes, exude warmth and charm. The narrow cobblestone streets are lined with shops, restaurants, and cafes. Take a stroll through the village and soak up the magical atmosphere. Lake Hallstatt is the heart of the village, reflecting the surrounding mountains and sky. The lake teems with live fish, swans, and ducks. Take a boat trip and enjoy the stunning views. The air is fresh, mingling pine and floral scents. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the peace of this special place wash over you. It's an experience you'll never forget. Hallstatt's story is intricately woven with salt, a history as deep as the mines. Prehistoric miners chipped away at the rock, bringing wealth and trade to Hallstatt. Hallstatt's miners developed sophisticated techniques for extraction and transport. The legacy of white gold is everywhere, from the village's name to its architecture. The prosperity of centuries past is reflected in the elegant buildings, and it's in the very air, a subtle whisper of salt carried on the breeze. Today, you can journey into that history with a visit to the Hallstatt salt mine. Take the funicular railway, climbing high above the village. At the entrance, don a miner's suit and helmet, then descend into the depths. Walk in the footsteps of countless miners, seeing veins of salt shimmering in the darkness. The guides bring the past alive with stories of toil and ingenuity. Learn about the man in salt, a perfectly preserved prehistoric miner, a poignant reminder of Hallstatt's history. The mine isn't just a history lesson, it's an adventure. Slide down the massive wooden slides once used to transport the salt. Emerging from the mine, you carry a piece of Hallstatt's story with you. The salt, once precious, is now a souvenir. The colorful houses and cobbled streets are built on a foundation of salt. The echoes of the mine resonate, a reminder of the past shaping the present. Hallstatt is full of surprises, even in its graveyards. Beneath St. Michael's Chapel lies the Hallstatt ossuary, or bone house. The walls are stacked with human bones, over 1,200 skulls, each decorated. It's both unsettling and strangely beautiful. Limited burial space led to the tradition of exhuming and painting bones. This unique practice speaks to Hallstatt's history and geography. Families gathered to paint skulls, honoring their loved ones. This tradition, from the 12th century to the 1970s, reflects Hallstatt's view of life and death. Death was part of life's cycle, acknowledged and embraced. The ossuary isn't morbid. It's a celebration of life and memory. It's a place for reflection on the cycle of life and death that unites us all. Leaving the ossuary, the world seems brighter, more precious. Hallstatt embraces life with gusto, contrasting the solemnity of the bone house. The ossuary adds another layer to Hallstatt's tapestry, reminding us to cherish every moment. The village feels like a place where life and death coexist in harmony. Our exploration of Hallstatt continues, our appreciation deepened by this encounter with the past. For a different perspective, ascend to the Skywalk Hallstatt. This platform offers unparalleled views of the village and its surroundings. The village becomes a miniature world, the lake a shimmering mirror. The majestic Dachstein Mountains rise up, their peaks piercing the clouds. Hallstatt's beauty extends to Lake Hallstatt, a source of life and inspiration. Stand on the shores and feel a sense of peace wash over you. The crystal clear water laps gently against the shore, its rhythm soothing. The lake's beauty changes with the light, from sparkling blue to sunset hues. A peaceful hush descends, inviting you to slow down and be present. It's a silence that speaks volumes, a moment of tranquility. Lake Hallstatt invites you to experience its beauty in countless ways. Rent a boat and glide across the tranquil waters, connecting with the lake, or find a quiet spot on the shore and soak it all in. Watch swans glide and ducks paddle, or cast a fishing line into the pristine waters. There's something magical about being surrounded by such breathtaking beauty. As you explore Lake Hallstatt, notice the symphony of nature, the breeze rustling leaves, birdsong filling the air, and fish jumping out of the water. Close your eyes and listen, letting the sounds of nature calm your mind. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the sun or cool mist on your skin. Lake Hallstatt is a feast for the senses, a place to reconnect with nature. It's a place to escape the hustle and find peace in nature's embrace. Gaze out at Lake Hallstatt and feel a sense of timelessness. The lake has witnessed history's ebb and flow, yet remains a constant presence. The mountains and village have endured for centuries, their history etched into their very soul. Standing on the shores, you realize you're part of this timeless tapestry. Lake Hallstatt is a mirror reflecting the past, a window into the present, and a promise of the future. From this vantage point, the world seems to open up, revealing its hidden wonders and breathtaking beauty. To the east, the rolling hills of the Salzkammergut region stretch out like a patchwork quilt, dotted with dense forests and sparkling lakes that shimmer in the sunlight. To the west, the Dachstein Massif dominates the skyline, its rugged peaks capped with snow, even in the height of summer, standing as timeless sentinels. Below you, the village of Hallstatt seems both familiar and new, a picturesque blend of history and charm. You recognize the landmarks, the spire of the Lutheran church, the cluster of colorful houses along the lakefront, and the bustling market square filled with life. But from this height, they take on a different aspect. their proportions miniaturized, their details softened by distance, creating a dreamlike quality. It's a view that inspires awe and wonder, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the natural world, a testament to nature's grandeur. Standing on the skywalk, you feel a sense of exhilaration, of freedom, of being on top of the world, where the sky meets the earth. It's a perspective that changes the way you see things, both literally and figuratively, offering new insights and reflections. The skywalk is more than just a viewing platform. It's an experience that immerses you in the landscape. It's a symbol of Hallstatt's enduring appeal, its ability to captivate and inspire visitors from all walks of life, transcending boundaries. It's a place where you can escape the everyday, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and let your spirit soar, feeling truly alive. As you take in the panorama from the skywalk, you realize that Hallstatt is more than just a picturesque village. It's a gateway to a region of unparalleled natural beauty, a place where adventure awaits around every corner. The Dachstein Mountains, so prominent in the view from the skywalk, beckon with their promise of challenging hikes, breathtaking vistas, and pristine alpine meadows. Explore the trails that wind through these mountains, and you'll discover hidden waterfalls, crystal clear lakes, and panoramic views that will take your breath away. The Salzkammer Gut region, with its network of lakes, forests, and charming villages, offers endless opportunities for outdoor recreation and exploration. Rent a bike and cycle along the shores of Lake Hallstatt, feeling the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. Take a boat trip across one of the region's many other lakes, each one with its own unique character and charm, or simply lose yourself in the beauty of the landscape, wandering through meadows carpeted with wildflowers, listening to the bird song echoing through the forests, and breathing in the fresh, invigorating mountain air. Hallstatt is a place that invites you to slow down, reconnect with nature, and rediscover the simple joys of being alive. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrills or someone looking for tranquility, Hallstatt and its surroundings offer something truly special for everyone. The serene environment, combined with the stunning natural beauty, makes it a perfect destination for all. So come, immerse yourself in the heart of the Alps and let Hallstatt's magic captivate your soul. Hallstatt. The name itself sounds like a whisper from the past, a gentle call that beckons you to explore its depths. This is a village that stays with you long after you've said goodbye, lingering in your thoughts and dreams. It's the echo of footsteps on cobblestone streets, each step resonating with stories of those who walked before. The scent of pine needles and mountain air, a refreshing reminder of nature's embrace. The gentle lapping of the lake against the shore, a soothing symphony that calms the soul. It's the weight of history, the warmth of tradition, and the vibrant pulse of life, all intertwined in a delicate balance. Hallstatt reminds us that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, in the quiet corners and hidden alleys. That history is not just something we read about in books, but something we can touch, feel, and experience firsthand. It's a place where time seems to stand still, yet life goes on, ever changing, ever evolving, like a living tapestry. So, if you're looking for a destination that will stay with you long after you've returned home, a place that will nourish your soul and ignite your imagination, look no further than Hallstatt. This timeless village by the lake is waiting to embrace you with its magic, offering a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of modern life. And as you journey on, remember the lessons whispered by the mountains and the lake. Cherish every moment. Find joy in simplicity and let the beauty of the world inspire you to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Hallstatt, a place where memories are made and cherished forever. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel with Glenn for more daily location facts and captivating stories from around the globe. Your next adventure awaits. Until next time, happy travels. May your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure a memory we keep. Join the journey, share